Hey, welcome back to tutorial number 5. Okay, now you already created a sprite. Okay, your players can shoot bullet. Okay, and then when the bullet hits your enemy, and then your enemy will die. And then to make it a bit more interesting, when your enemy collides with your player, and the player will die. Okay, but now, okay, it would be much more better if you can get your player to collect coins and gain points. Okay, so that's what exactly we are going to do for tutorial number 5. Okay, let us go to layout again. This time around we are going to actually create coins. Okay, so I think by now you should have already anticipated what needs to be done, right? So click on sprite. Okay, name it as coin. Insert. Okay, you'll have this cross mark, and then you'll be inside the animation editor. Okay, choose fill bucket. Okay, what you need to do is okay, get a color which is golden. Okay, maybe I think this should be nice. Okay, again, okay, we are going to use the brush tool. Okay, and then make it slightly bigger. I think that should be all right. Okay, like what we did with the bullet. Okay, make sure that the image point is right in the middle, and then crop it up. Okay, but this time around, okay, let us just increase the size. Okay, this is how to zoom in. Okay, we are going to actually draw something. Okay, what is it that we're gonna draw? Okay, we are going to actually draw a dollar sign. I don't know why I have a dollar sign. It's a coin and I have a dollar sign now. I think you understand lah. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let me just draw a dollar sign there. Okay, that's it. It looks good. Okay, so what you can do proportionally, let's say you want to make it reduce proportionally, is click shift and then use your mouse to drag, okay, the corners there, the box, and then make it smaller. Okay, I think that is nice. So what you can do is you can just put it onto the static one. Okay, so copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, I don't need to put so many lah. If let's say if you want to put it onto something which is moving, right? Okay, you must make sure that the coins, okay, must have the same behavior like the platform that you put it on. Okay, because for the static one is easier. Okay, so let us just preview it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, okay, when it, oh no, you're dead. Let us try again. Oh no, we are dead again. Wow, I'm very bad at this game. Okay, what we're gonna do? Hold on, Okay, if let's see if I were to go to the coin over here, it doesn't do anything. Okay, because we will need to actually okay, fill up the event sheet with something. Okay, let us go there. So go to your event sheet. Okay, now what happened? If you understand what's going on, right? This is very familiar. So what you need to do is player, okay, on collision with coins. Okay, done. So what happened to the coins? The coins will be destroyed. Okay, so we saw like simulate, okay, when it is oh no, I'm gonna die. You can see that I'm very bad at this. Okay, you can see now You can see that I collected the coin here. Okay, so let's see whether we can move to the other one. Yes, okay, but it's going to be boring now because there's no counter over here to actually keep score. Okay, so let's just do that. Okay, now what we're going to do is, okay, before that, okay, we are going to actually put in text, insert new object. Okay, all the while we use sprite, but this time around we are going to use text. This one will be score, and then click on insert. Okay, so if you were to click inside here, okay, by default it will have the word text there, but just now because the file name is score, you will have it here. Now scroll down. Okay, for this one, under here, we will need to actually name it as score. Okay, and you can change the font and of course the size. Maybe over here I put it as 18. Okay, the color of your text also you can actually change. Okay, but I am going to just leave it as it is. Over here now I already have the word score. Okay, and then I will go back to my event sheet under add text. Okay, system. Okay, so every second, okay, every second it will tell the score, okay, to keep track. So we will need to put it as set text. Okay, this one is a bit you need to observe carefully. Yeah, okay, so just now it is score, right? So what you need to do is you have to spell out the word score. Okay, you can have this or not, then a space there. This is the most important part. Okay, so what you need to do is, okay, put in the ampersand or the and symbol, and then type in score. Okay, but don't click done yet. What you need to do is scroll down. Okay, what happened here? Okay, there's something which I'm looking at, but I'm trying to find, but it's not there because I've forgotten something. So let's just click on done first, or maybe just cancel it lah. Okay, I forgot to actually put in the global variable. Okay, what is a global variable? Is something like X, like a container, okay, where it keeps track of the score and time and whatever you want it to do lah. Okay, so what you need to do is make sure that your cursor is outside of all the script over here. Right click and then add in global variable. So over here change it to score. Okay, of course your score will start with 0, so leave it at 0, then press OK. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so what you need to do is add action. Okay, score will set text. Okay, same like what we did just now. Score space and then put in the and sign and spell out score. Okay, what I want to find is this. There it is. Okay, you see, you look at this green globe and then the word score. That's the one that you want. Okay, just double click and then press done. Okay, not the end of the day. Yeah, you still need to do something. So over here, so whenever, okay, the player is on collision with your coins, the coin will be destroyed. But okay, what you want to do is you are going to tell the system, okay, to add every time it collected the coin, it will add, okay, 1 to your score. You can actually put 2, 3 or 5, doesn't matter, okay, depending on the value of the coins. Okay, but for now I just put it as 1. So press it done and let us see what happened here. Okay, hold on. Okay, as you can see, right, okay, whenever I collected a coin, okay, the score here will actually go up. Okay, now we will also need to have a timer. Okay, we are going to do the same thing. What we need to do is, okay, click on outside here, add global variable. This time around we are going to put in a timer. Okay, timer. Okay, maybe what you want to do is within 60 seconds, okay, you need your player to complete a task, collecting all the coins and killing all the enemies. So within that 60 seconds, your player will need to actually finish off that task. Okay, just click OK. Same thing, go to layout. Okay, let me just move it here. Okay, insert new object. It will not be sprite, yeah. Okay, text, this one will be timer, and then insert. Okay, click, you see the timer, but you have to scroll down to change this to timer. Okay, and then change the font size to 18, but this is entirely up to you. Okay, I think 18 is quite comfortable because it is quite big to actually see, but it's not and also it's not too small, yeah. Okay, just leave it there. Now let us go to the event sheet. Same thing. Okay, system take, you can actually add it over here. Okay, timer, will set text. Okay, so what happened is that over here you will put in timer. Okay, and then the letter N and timer. Okay, go and look for that globe, green globe with the word timer, double click and then done. Okay, what will happen over here is, okay, go to add event system. So every X second, so how many? Every 1 second, what happens that it will tell the system to minus out. Okay, subtract from score, not score, it must be timer, value of 1. So every time it takes, okay, it was minus out 1 second. Let us just see. Okay, you can see that the timer is going down every second. Okay, what happened over here is that when it reaches 0, okay, you will want the game to be over. So what you can do over here, so system, okay, you're going to say this, where is it? Not compare time, compare variable. Okay, so when you're not the score, when the timer is equal to 0, okay, what will happen? So system will restart. Where is it? System will restart layout. Okay, and at the same time, because you want it to go back to 0 for your score and the timer should go back to 60 seconds, so what you're going to do is reset global variable. Click on next. Okay, and then you can start and take a look. Okay, this one will take at least a second, 1 minute to actually see how it works. Okay, let us just see whether if we can shoot something. Shoot some more. Make sure that you don't get destroyed by the enemy. Okay, shoot some more. This time around the enemy is a bit more clever. Okay, but so far I have not collected any coins. I'm such a bad player. Okay, now I already collected 2, collected 3, collected 4. I ran out of coin already. So what I'm gonna do is just sit down here, okay, drink coffee, eat ayam penyet, and wait for the time to actually end. Okay, 0, there, it will start again. Okay, so you can see that it works. Okay, that will be the end of tutorial 5. I see you again in the next tutorial.